Welcome back to the Car Xplorer. Today we're diving into something that redefines the limits of luxury and innovation, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari has entered the motorhome world and it's every bit as breathtaking, futuristic, and performance-driven as you'd imagine. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship, bringing together Ferrari's racing DNA and the comfort of a five-star hotel on wheels. From the outside, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks like a futuristic spaceship gliding down the highway. The design is sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Ferrari. Bold curves, aggressive front fascia, and flowing body lines that command attention. The front features an illuminated prancing horse emblem, signature LED matrix headlights, and air channels inspired by Ferrari's hypercars. The side panels are sculpted from lightweight carbon fiber, with retractable aerodynamic fins that adjust based on speed and wind direction for ultimate stability. The rear end is just as striking, with a full-width light bar and quad exhaust outlets that echo Ferrari's racing heritage. Even the wheels are custom-designed 23-inch forged alloys with carbon ceramic brakes, ensuring that performance never takes a back seat. Even in a vehicle of this size, step inside, and you'll immediately realize this isn't an ordinary luxury motorhome. It's an experience. The interior is a seamless fusion of Ferrari supercar DNA and high-end yacht luxury. The cockpit features a futuristic digital interface with a curved OLED instrument cluster, a yoke-style steering wheel, and full AI voice control that learns your preferences. Every inch of the cabin is wrapped in premium materials: Alcantara, carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and fine Italian leather hand-stitched with Ferrari's signature red contrast. Moving to the living area, the sense of opulence continues. You'll find an extendable lounge space with modular leather sofas, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, and panoramic smart glass windows that tint automatically for privacy or open up to reveal breathtaking views. The kitchen is compact yet high-tech, featuring induction surfaces, a built-in espresso maker, and even a refrigerated wine drawer. The bedroom area is pure luxury. A king-size bed with memory foam, climate control, and a hidden retractable 8K entertainment screen. The bathroom follows the same philosophy: sleek design, rainfall shower, marble finishes, and even Ferrari-branded fixtures. But what really sets this motorhome apart is the performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine, paired with electric motors for instant torque and efficiency. It delivers over 900 horsepower combined, taking this massive machine from 0 to 100 km/h in under 5 seconds, something unheard of for a motorhome. Ferrari's adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control ensure an unbelievably smooth experience. Whether you're cruising highways or climbing mountain roads, the all-wheel drive system is intelligent, continuously adjusting power to each wheel for maximum grip and safety. The vehicle also features multiple drive modes, including Comfort, Sport, and Track. Yes, a track mode in a motorhome, because Ferrari never compromises on performance. In terms of technology, this motorhome is fully autonomous capable, equipped with Level 4 self-driving features. It includes a 360-degree LiDAR system, night vision cameras, and over-the-air software updates. The onboard AI assistant can plan routes, suggest scenic stops, and even manage energy usage between the hybrid and electric systems. Now, let's talk about price. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome doesn't come cheap. Exclusivity never does. The base model is expected to start around $2.5 million, and with full customization options, it can easily cross the $3 million mark. But for those who demand the very best in both speed and sophistication, this is the ultimate statement of success and taste. So, would you take the wheel of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome and live the dream of a high-performance luxury road trip? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more futuristic car reviews and automotive adventures from the world of innovation, luxury, and performance.